I recently saw somebody have a complete meltdown about the Maniology Rebel Yell free starter kit, and I didn't remember it being that bad, so I wanted to check it out again and see if my memory was just twisted. And to be clear, I am a Maniology affiliate. However, I bought this with my own money a very long time ago, and that's why everything's already unwrapped. But I'm going to show you what comes in the kit. So I love these plates. First off, I think the plates are freaking awesome. This Stamp and Polish Yummy Gummy comes in there. It's a very pale purple. And then Mirror, which is from the Grim Nightfall collection. But it's in a 7 milliliter bottle, so it is smaller than a normal Maniology polish. You will also get an ice cube stamper. These are fun. Some people love them, some people hate them. And you will also get some sort of scraper like this. Mine is from a different collection. But it does come with that similar style. So what I'm going to do is try to use just the items in the box for this Mani. Because this girl was like full-blown temper tantrum, F-bombing, just crazy mad at it. And I thought, good God, I really don't remember this thing being that bad, so let me check it out. Yummy Gummy is the absolute worst stamping polish I have ever used. Maybe ever. Definitely not good, not Maniology quality now, so I don't know what they were thinking with this one. That's one coat. You can see the streaks. You can see the streaks. That's 3 coats and you can still see some of the streaks. Absolute nightmare. Now, to be fair, the more I was painting, the more I was thinking it was the brush in that shorter bottle. I think that had something to do with it. I think maybe if this had a full-size brush, it would be better, but still, a stamping polish should never take 3 freaking coats. It was ridiculous. Very ridiculous. I love the background images on this plate. This is my favorite plate of the two, but these background images, oh man, you could just layer so much on top of that. I love these sound waves. I've used them to make it look like a shine on the nail. Super cute. I love the crow on the coffee. Love the skull. I just love this whole plate. This is right up my alley when I'm in a feisty mood. Now you do have to clean the plates with pure acetone. When you open them, they come with the blue film on them like this. You have to take the film off and then you have to clean it with pure acetone, not nail polish remover. If it leaves the plate cloudy, no big deal. Just take a paper towel and wipe it down if it bothers you, but it doesn't hurt the plate in any way. Okay, I am familiar with this plate. I have used it before and I do enjoy it. So I'm setting myself up for what I call my quick stamp method, which is basically where I put everything super close to me so I can grab it fast, scrape, and try to pick it up. Okay, so you're actually seeing this in real time. And if you see me go off to the side, it's because I'm dabbing off the Maniology letters onto a lint roller. Could not get that to pick up the little dots on the outside at first, so I spent several attempts trying to get that to pick up the whole image. Now, I remembered this being kind of difficult the first time with the sound waves, and I ended up using a different colors, I think, in that Manicure. Didn't think much about it at the time, but now, after seeing how crazy that girl went, I shouldn't say that girl, that young woman, she was just like absolutely having a fit over this, and I thought, my God, okay, let me check, and I can kind of see why, because this is not picking up everything for me. And I'm going, all right, is it me scraping? Is it the ice cube stamper? Because those can be finicky. The ice cube stampers are like a little gentle kiss across the plate. You just have to barely roll it across the plate. If you press too hard, you can have problems. And I'm starting to get irritated at this point, so I went ahead and pulled out my monocle stamper. So that is the first bit of advice I would give you if you buy these plates. Go ahead and pick up a monocle stamper with it. Not that I think the ice cube stamper is bad. However, I think it's horrible for this box because the things where that stamper is the weakest in my opinion, like fine lines, are all over this plate. Okay? The monocle stamper is much better at picking up all those fine lines. And at this point, when I'm on the dinosaur, that's when I realized, all right, this is the polish causing this. And I scraped from a different direction. I should have thought about that on the other ones. I don't know why I didn't think about that at first, but that did make a big difference. But the problem I was picking this up on this was this polish mirror. It was chunky. And the big bottle I have of that, I just bought the Grim Nightfall collection, and it's not chunky like that. So I don't know if it's a little bit of an older formula or a different formula from that box, but it was chunky and it was very difficult to work with. So do I recommend the plates? Yes. Do I recommend those polishes with this? No. So if you can get them separate, please do. Like if you can buy just the plates, I would recommend that. I would totally pass on these polishes the way they are in this kit. Now the ice cube stamper, I like it, but I don't like it with this set. It's basically setting itself up to fail on it. What I would recommend is buy the plates individually and buy a monocle stamper, because the plates are freaking awesome. The monocle stamper is much better, or get the free kit and then buy a monocle stamper. You'll probably spend a little less money that way, actually. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you've used this box. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.